Alright guys, we are live for box break number 38, 2014 Panini Prizms Jumbo. It's going to be a few minutes before we get going, so that everybody can find us. Let me find this video feed. Bring it over right here. Now get your teams. Here are your teams. Just in case you forgot. Alright, we did one of these maybe a week ago. Seemed like a good box. Seemed like we'd do it again. So here we are. Some sleeves ready. I'll put up another box after we're done here. I'm going to eat first, so I'd say probably 20 minutes after this video's over. Be another breakup. Well, we'll get going. If anybody misses it, we started right on time. The replay will be available. Let's get to busting. 2014 Panini Prizms. Good luck, everybody. This box for trash. Alright, we'll give him a lucky little shuffle here. See if we can make the hits better just by shuffling. I'm sure that works, right? Chris, it doesn't take balls, just takes a little bit of money. They are fun. These Kid Reporter cards are expired, but if you want them, let me know. Troy Nicholas, Cardinals rookie. Kyle Fuller, Bears rookie. Jason Verrett, Chargers rookie. And I'm going to sleeve this die cut. Marquise Lee, Jaguars rookie die cut, fresh faces. What'd you say, Jenny? Oh, okay. Next one is Toby Gerhart. Going to be a gold Prizm, unnumbered for the Jaguars. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. That's a nice rookie. This Freeman is numbered to 50. Blue Prizm. I pulled out the wrong sleeve. It's a nice Freeman for the Falcons. Prizm out of 50. Next card, another Falcons, Roddy White. Andrew Luck, Colts. Sticking in my arm. Doug Martin, Buccaneers. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Texans. Old beardy. Shannon Sharp, Broncos. And Matt Schaub, Raiders. Little teaser there. I always think that's a Derek Carr when I open these boxes. See a Raiders quarterback. Just Matt Schaub. Nathan, we get that kind of weather too in Kansas. Switch 30 degrees in an afternoon. It's supposed to do that tonight here. My wife said it's supposed to get cold tonight. I haven't been paying attention. Kadeem Carey, Bears rookie. Kevin Norwood, Seahawks rookie. Brian Coleman, Saints rookie. There's the Derek Carr for the Raiders. Rookie card. Aaron Rodgers, camo prism for the Packers. It's an unnumbered one. Andre Roberts, Redskins. That's a Cardinals jersey, but it's a Redskins card. You can see that down there. And it's kind of sticking to the next card there. There we go. Julio Jones, Falcons. Jared Allen, Bears. Jay Cutler, Bears. Bo Jackson with the Raiders. I always like pulling bows. Fran Tarkenton with the Vikings. And Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. Looks like every one of these cards has a little imperfection up there. Let's take a sleeve. See if that does anything. Huh. Well, I just wanted to show you on my end. Might be easy to wipe that off with a little cloth. First card in the next pack, Ahmad Dixon, Cowboys rookie. LaDamian Washington, Cowboys rookie. James Wilder Jr., Bengals rookie. They're still coming out with that little tiny mark right up there. I feel like we saw that in the last box too. There's our first hit. For the Browns, Terrence West, rookie auto. Pretty card. This Terrence West is numbered out of 150. So the Browns pull the first hit. Next we got Believe the Hype. Cody Latimer, rookie die cut. God, I don't want to press those points to get it down there. For the Broncos. For the Bears, Dan Hampton, legend. Brian Hoyer, Browns. Santana Moss, Redskins. Carson Palmer, Cardinals. Frank Gore, 49ers. Hakeem Nicks, Colts. Jimmy Graham, Saints. Talking about the auto, Terrence West was the hit there. I'm not sure if that's what they were saying nice to or not. Still a young player. Could emerge. Cody Hoffman, Redskins rookie. Khalil Mack, Raiders rookie. TJ Jones, Lions rookie. Yep, that was the only hit so far. Teddy Bridgewater, Prizm card, rookie, Vikings. This one is just a normal Prizm, unnumbered. Jaquiz Rogers.
I think it's Prizm.
Prizm. That one's a regular Prizm. And we got Panini points. This one's 150. I don't want to show the code on there or anything, but we'll random that off to somebody that didn't get a hit. We'll do that right when we're done here. Andre Ellington Cardinals. Brian Hartline Dolphins. Sidney Rice Seahawks. Peyton Manning Broncos. Rashad Jennings Giants. Antonio Brown Steelers. We had a Khalil Mack rookie and a Derek Carr rookie. Both were base rookies. Brad. Matt Panini points. I've never actually messed with them. I guess you can go on the website and redeem them for certain hits or something. Landgren, he's done it a lot from what I hear. He might be able to tell you more. D. Ford, rookie, Chiefs. LaMarcus Joyner, rookie, Rams. Jalen Saunders, Jets, rookie. That was a good card. Feel like we had that exact card last time we opened this box. For the Steelers, Ryan Shazier. Wrong sleeve again. This Ryan Shazier rookie auto is numbered out of 150. Moving on, we got an Allen Robinson rookie gold Prizm. Chris Johnson Jets. Christian Ponder Vikings. Julius Thomas Broncos. Alshon Jeffrey Bears. Tamba Hawley Chiefs. Marshawn Lynch Seahawks. Michael Crabtree 49ers. Are you drinking too fast, Dayton? How many hits was guaranteed in this? Anybody know off the top of their head? Was it 2 autographs? If so, the points were a bonus. Sometimes they take the place of a hit. Dree Archer, Steelers rookie. Martavis Bryant, another Steelers rookie. Calvin Pryor, Jets rookie. This one is Mike Glennon. Fresh Faces die cut. For the Buccaneers. And Clinton Dix. The camo, once again, made my wife laugh. Every time I say the name. Camo Prizm card, unnumbered, rookie for the Packers. There's a third autograph here. Cody Hoffman, rookie Redskins auto. Yeah, our son Lucas likes Clinton Dix. This Cody Hoffman is numbered to 100 for the Redskins. Rookie autograph. Lance Allworth Chargers.
You slow down.
Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Sean Green, Titans. Gale Sayers, Bears. Larry Zonka, Dolphins. And Dan Fouts, Chargers. That one is packed with legends. Jerick McKinnon, Vikings rookie. Allen Robinson, Jaguars rookie. Got another Derek Carr, Raiders rookie. That's a good duplicate. Carlos Hyde. Carlos Hyde, Fresh Faces. A rookie die cut card for the 49ers. Next one is intros. EJ Manuel. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There it goes. For the Bills. Alex Smith for the Chiefs. DeAndre Hopkins, Texans. Derek Carr variation, huh? I always forget to look for those. Here's our first one. I'm not going to waste the time looking. DeAndre Hopkins, Texans. CJ Spiller, Bills. Franco Harris, Steelers. John Elway, Broncos. Kurt Warner, Cardinals. Bob Lilly. That's a wide man. For the Cowboys. Dude needs to put some shoulder pads on. Looks a little out of shape without the pads on. Jake Matthews, Falcons rookie. Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings rookie. Taj Boyd, Jets rookie. And Bo Jackson for the Raiders. That's a Prizm card. Unnumbered. Next one is Prizm rookie. Michael Campanaro for the Ravens. It's like a different hue there, like a purple Prizm, or is that just the jersey? Anyway, it's unnumbered. Legion of Boom for the Seahawks. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Eric Decker, Jets. Michael Irvin, Cowboys. Tom Brady, Patriots. Alfred Morris, Redskins. And Chris Ivory, Jets. I have 4 packs left here. Robert, that's sometimes how it goes. Sometimes you get the cards, sometimes you don't. I've been in both spots. Jeff Janis, Packers rookie. Carlos Hyde, 49ers rookie. Lewis Nix, the third, Texans. If you ain't getting the cards, call out your team. Sometimes that works. If you believe in that. Robert Griffin, a Redskins Prizm card, unnumbered. What are you screaming for? Marcus Colston, Gold Prizm, Saints. There's a pretty one. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. This red Prizm card is numbered to 125. Brett Favre, Jets. Mike Glennon, Bucks. Jordan Reed, Redskins. Terrell Suggs, Ravens. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Oh. Arian Foster, Texans. Actually, Dayton was screaming for a Chiefs card because he's a Chiefs fan. And he got one. Aaron Murray, red Prizm. So if you want Dayton to be on your side, you got to pick the Chiefs in these breaks. Or the Royals. Aaron Murray, Chiefs rookie. Bruce Ellington, 49ers rookie. Jordan Matthews, Eagles rookie. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles Prizm card. Next card is Kevin Norwood, Prizm for the Seahawks, unnumbered, rookie card. Art Monk, Redskins. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Zach Stacy, Rams. Jack Ham, Steelers. Chris Givens, Rams. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Brandon Marshall, Bears. It seems clear on my end, Robert. Sometimes there's a lag on my end. Sometimes it's on the viewer's end. I don't know any way to tell you which one it is. Josh Huff, Eagles rookie. D'Anthony Thomas, Chiefs rookie. CJ Fedoritz, Texans rookie. That's a cool one. Believe the Hype. Johnny Manziel, rookie die cut. Let's see if we can get that in without. Man, these cards are tough to sleeve. There we go. Believe the Hype. Johnny Manziel for the Browns. And we got another Believe the Hype. Of course, this is the single worst card to load in the sleeves because of all these points. This one's Blake Bortles, rookie Jaguars. So, the Manziel was a Prizm, while the Bortles is not. So I didn't realize that they got different levels to the die cuts. David Yankee, Vikings rookie. And that one is nice Prizm. It's numbered to 75. Numbered 74 out of 75 for the Vikings. Drew Brees, Saints. Mohamed Sanu, Bengals. Terry Bradshaw, Steelers. Fred Jackson, Bills. Reggie Wayne, Colts. Reggie Bush, Lions. Back-to-back Reggies. That's not as cool as back-to-back die cuts, but noticeable. Robert, I'll be posting another break here soon. My lovely wife cooked me dinner, so right when I'm done, I'm going to go eat that. And then afterwards, I'll work on the next break. Not sure what to do yet. I've got all 3 sports sitting over there. Taylor Lewin, Titans rookie. Tevin Reese, Chargers rookie. What is that noise? Quit screaming. Logan Thomas, Cardinals rookie. There's a cool Cam Newton. For the Panthers, Air Marshals die cut. Cam Newton. And then we got another die cut here for the Lions. Calvin Johnson. Mr. Retired too early. Hands team die cut. AJ Green, Bengals. John Riggins, Redskins. Jerome Bettis, Steelers. Nate Washington, Titans. Robert Griffin III for the Redskins. Ray Rice, Ravens. And the last card of the box, Julian Edelman, Patriots. No Odell Beckham. We got some cars. Got a Manziel. Got 3 autographs. Somebody mentioned this Derek Carr might be a variation here. Whoever picked up the Raiders, if you want to know, I can look through and find the other car. See if they're different. The 3 hits. Cody Hoffman, Redskins, rookie auto. Number to 100. Ryan Shazier, rookie Steelers. Number to 150. And Terrence West, rookie Browns. Number to 150. So Browns, Steelers, Redskins, you guys are out of the running for the Panini points. Since you pulled the auto, I'm going to random off those points real quick. And then I'm going to go eat dinner. Jarvis Landry, I forgot about him. Move these sleeves. Let me get a random list open and we'll get those points handed out to somebody. Random.org. Random.org. I need a dice roller and a list. Here's the list. I gotta pull out the Browns, Steelers, Redskins. Tyler Simpson, your Redskins spot is out of the running. Tyler Simpson, your Browns spot is out of the running. Nope, lost you. And the Steelers, Lee Matthews, your Steelers are out of the running. Tyler, 2 hits, nice. So we got our list of people right here. And I'm going to roll the dice. I want 4 or higher. I've got 8. Randomize this list 8 times. Whoever's number 1 will get the points. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Puffy, get out of here. And the last time winner is Jason Scazafava. Scazafava, however you pronounce your name, Jason. You got 150 Panini points. If you want the code, I will PM you with it, or I can ship it with your cards. Either way, I can do both. So let me write that down. Well, I'll write it down my own time. I'm moving on to dinner, and I will post another break here in about 20 minutes. Congrats to the few of you, and we'll see you soon.